Welcome to our Resident Portal demonstration. Today we'll explore how residents can easily manage their vehicle permits and visitor registrations. When first logging in with your temporary password from the welcome email, we encourage you to create a new secure password. Once logged in, you'll see your resident dashboard with three main sections: your profile information, vehicle permits, and visitor registration codes. In the profile section, you can update your contact information and address details to ensure property management can reach you when needed. This information is crucial for proper permit management. The Vehicle Permits section displays all your assigned vehicle slots from property management. For empty slots, you can easily enter your vehicle information. Before submitting any vehicle details, you'll need to review and acknowledge important responsibilities regarding physical permits, information accuracy, and monitoring policies. One of the most convenient features is the ability to update your vehicle information at any time. If you get a new vehicle, you can simply update your existing slot with the new vehicle's details. No need to contact management. However, if you need an additional vehicle slot, your property manager can add an additional slot if your property allows multiple vehicles per resident. Each active permit clearly shows your vehicle details, permit type, and any assigned parking space. If a permit has been voided by management, you'll see the status clearly marked and the permit will no longer be editable. If management has removed your vehicle slot, you will no longer be able to manage that permit. The Visitor Registration section provides quick access to your property's registration codes. Each code corresponds to different visitor permit types and links directly to the registration page. This makes registering visitors simple and efficient, without needing to contact the office. All permit modifications are tracked for security purposes, ensuring transparency between residents and property management. This system provides you with the independence to manage your vehicles while maintaining the property's parking integrity.